Stay with it, Tamirni.
Go, Tamirni. Go, Tamirni.
Good. Watch that pass. Good, Trent.
Hold it. Let's go down. Let's go down. Abraham, let's go down. Mateo, Abraham, pick a line. Play 2, David. Go. All the way, David. Let's go, David.
Stay with him, David.
Mateo, pass it in. Mateo, pass it in. Play 2, Abraham. Play 2, Abraham. Not there. Go, Trent.
There you go.
Let's go, Rocky.
Good. Turn around, Trent. That's you, Trent. There you go. Good defense.
Play 1, Tamirni. Go. Now. You waited. Move, Tamirni. Go, Trent. Let's go, Rockets. Hey, when they come up.
Seriously?
Mateo, good job. Pass it in. David, take the ball. Let's go. Quiet. Hold on, David. ISO! Split! Hey.
Rockets defense.
That's there for you.
That's you, Abraham. Good defense. Watch that pass. Stay with him, Trent. Hold it. Play 2, Trent. Let's go, David. Good, David. That's you, David.
Hands up, David. Let's go, David, down. Play 2, Abraham. Let's go, now. Move, Abraham. That's there. That's it all day. You gotta make that.
Who's man?
Mateo, pass it in. Let's go, David. Play 2, community. Now. You waited. Good, Dave. Good, Dave. Right there.
That's you, Abraham. That's you.
Abraham, go get him.
What's that?
That other coach, man, the way he talks to his kids.
Yo, I don't like that at all, man.
Mateo. Pass it in. David, take it. Go down. Play 2, Abraham. Let's go. Let's go, David. Let's go, David. Play 2, Abraham. Go. Now.
We're down.
Hey,
one.
Come out. Let's go, Rockets. Come here.
When I call play 2, that is not a chance for you to keep the ball and go score on your own, especially if you're going to miss it. Do you understand? Do you understand? Point guards. Your point guards have the privilege. I will take that privilege from you if you don't pass the ball. Your players are open.
A minute,
They are. Thanks, man. Listen to me. When I call play 2, I expect to see you pass it when you're open, because when they take off to you, they are open. You're standing here and looking and staring and waiting. Have confidence in your pass and pass them the ball. A bounce pass is what I'm looking for. Can you do that for me? Do I need to find a different point guard?
No, sir. No.
Okay. Let's go. Hands in. Rockets on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Rockets!
Go down here.
Look the way I was on
Go
top.
on defense. Go on defense. Y'all are doing good. What we got?
Down by one. Down by one bucket.
You got a minute and a half.
Stay with him, David.
David, hands up, David. Hold it, David. Good, hold it, good. Let's go, Rockets, down. Play 2, community. Go. Let's go, Rockets. Let's go. Hey, community.
Turn around. That's you, Trent. Trent, that ball hit the ground is yours.
Good defense.
Good defense.
Trent, take it. All the way. Let's go all the way. Let's go, Trent.
There you go, son. There you go. Yes! Turn around. Who's red? Mateo! As much as you want Trent to not help, he just gotta help.
I know it. Well, it's when it's 30 feet away, you know.
Yeah.
That, we needed it.
Yeah. Watch that
And I
pass.
want him to help. They won't let me let him help.
Yeah. Hands up.